Okay, so I removed my idler pulley and this is how it looks. Um, some of the bearings are gone, shattered, destroyed, whatever you call it. This thing is junk. All I have to do now is get a new one, slap it back in the Jeep, and I'm a happy camper.